Samsung has started to detail its own generative AI model. Samsung Gauss can run locally on devices. It is named after Carl Friedrich Gauss, a genius mathematician who established the theory of normal distribution. Gauss will be integrated into the next Galaxy S24 handset, expected in early 2024. Based on machine learning technologies, Samsung Gauss consists of 3 models. Samsung Gauss Language, which generates texts. Samsung Gauss Code, which generates code. Samsung Gauss Image, which generates images. Samsung Gauss Language, a generative language model, enhances work efficiency by facilitating tasks such as composing emails, summarizing documents, editing images, translating content, operate as a coding assistant. It can also enhance the consumer experience by enabling smarter device control when integrated into products. This integration into products could be a key selling point for the Galaxy S24, especially if Gauss is able to run some limited generative image and language models locally on the handset, instead of relying on cloud-powered large language models from the likes of OpenAI.